The first reading, we heard Paul telling the Corinthians, I have become all things to all men. And this phrase is applicable to Saint John the Brito, who has said he became all things to all people in Madurai, adapting his lifestyle, including calling also the name Arulananda. They was calling him Pandaswami. The gospel passage is rather very puzzling, could be puzzle you. We heard about some Greeks coming to Philip with a request. You would like to see Jesus. An answer to this question of Jesus is very puzzling. He doesn't give them a direct answer. We don't know whether they were able to see him at all. The answer is puzzling. He says, talks about his future, about his passion, about his death, and about the wheat falling on the ground and dying, and about you want to lose your life, you'll gain it, and so on. He talks about his passion and death and everything. In fact, this is the actual answer of Jesus, or should be, that those who like to see Jesus must identify oneself with Jesus, with his life, passion, and death. Which means when I look at Jesus, his whole picture should be in front of me, and I should be able to walk the path Jesus walked, the path of suffering, the path where I give up myself totally, the path of total surrender to God. And I say, total let go in the God's hands, as Jesus let himself go in his Father's hands.